Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin now. Remove strap and any pedals so the guitar is stable, and set it face up on a soft cloth. You loosen the target string at the tuning peg until it's floppy, then use wire cutters to snip it near the post, leaving the bridge end attached if it's anchored. Do this to one string at a time to keep neck tension steady and avoid shifting the neck or bridge. This preserves setup and makes restringing predictable. Once done removing the old string, inspect and clean the saddle and nut slot to remove debris that causes buzz. You feed the new string through the bridge or tailpiece, guiding it smoothly over the saddle and through the nut slot. Make sure it seats correctly to maintain intonation. At the tuner, pull the string taut and leave about 2 to 3 inches of slack for 2-3 wraps around the post. This creates proper windings and stable tuning when you begin tightening. You now bring the string slowly up to pitch using the tuner, then gently stretch it by pulling along its length and retune. Repeat until it holds. Trim excess string close to the post for safety and neatness. Make sure the string sits in the nut and saddle. Check action and intonation briefly by fretting at the 12th fret. If tuning slips, rewrap the post with an extra turn or inspect the nut for binding. Lubricate or file if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.